Listen, every time you fail, life gives you two choices. Break down or break through. Jackma chose breakthrough. This man was rejected from 30 jobs. Even KFC didn't hire him. His teachers called him average. His ideas were rejected again and again. But he didn't run from failure. He studied it. He learned from it. He used it as fuel. Jackma once said, if you can't handle failure, you can't handle success. And he proved it. Every setback became a lesson. Every rejection became motivation. Every no pushed him closer to the one. Why, yes, that changed everything. Your failures are not warnings. They are weapons. They are shaping your discipline. They are building your strength. They are preparing your success story. So the next time you fall, don't curse the fall. Use it, grow from it, rise because of it. Remember, failure is the price of greatness. And those who don't quit don't lose.